welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we will be talking about multi-step linear equations. Okay, let's jump into this problem. We have 12 equals to negative 10x plus negative 10k plus 9k. So straight, let's jump and solve the like terms. Negative 10k plus 9k, that should be only negative k. We're not looking the value of negative k, we're looking the value of k. So what can we do here as a strategy? We can multiply both sides times negative 1. And we'll have that negative 12 is equals to k. We said that k is equals to negative 12. Okay, let's find out if this answer is correct. Okay, we have this as our answer. Let's verify by rewriting our equation. We have 12 equals to negative 10k plus 9k. Perfect. Remember that this value of k will be replaced with the value of negative 12. Okay, so 12 is equals to negative 10 times negative 12 plus 9 times negative 12. So we have 12 equals to negative 10 times negative 12, that is positive 120. Positive 9 times negative 12, that should be negative 108. So 12 is equals to 120 minus 108, that should be 12, which is true. Therefore, we have confirmed that the result of this equation should be k equals to negative 12. Alright, thank you for watching. Remember that you can send your questions and we will be happy to create content for you. Thank you.